Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class of Greenfield School and College. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, 10 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and fine and studying your online classes regularly. Already you have completed your pre-test exam and your exam was very good. Next upcoming exam will be held test exam, okay, and it will be held on November. This is September last, October, November, and your syllabus is full boy, okay. So I think chapter 1 is very important for you. Though the full chapter is yours, chapter 1 to 14. So chapter 1 is very important for you because of A and 2 non B non question, okay, 1 and 2 non question. So in this sense chapter 1 is very important. Chapter 1 is lessons on life, okay, lessons on life. Chapter 1, here first one, biology is a Greek word, okay. The term biology is a Greek word, here bios and logos, okay. Biology Greek word, here Bengali is biology means jibo bigyan, okay. Here biology is a Greek word and bios and logos, okay. Bios and logos. Bios and logos. Yeah, bios means life and logos meaning knowledge. Bios means life and logos mean knowledge. LEDGE, okay, knowledge. So biology means the life knowledge, okay, of living organism, living world. Then go to branches of biology. First one, biology divided into two branches, botany and zoology, okay. Botany means Udbhid Bigyan, zoology means Prani Bigyan. Then biology main branches or physical biology, okay, physical biology, okay, and another is applied biology. First one we discuss physical biology. Physical biology, one is morphology. Morphology, one is morphology. Morphology means structure, okay, that deals with the form and structure of organism. It is usually divided into two branches, that means external and internal morphology, okay. Outer side is external morphology and inner description is internal morphology. The external description of the body is called external morphology and the internal description of the body is called internal morphology. So morphology divided into two, external and internal. External and internal, okay, external and internal. Then go to taxonomy. Okay, another physical branch is known as taxonomy. Taxonomy means classification of organism and related principles, okay, taxonomy. Then go to physiology. Physiology means biochemical activities, okay, such as your respiration, excretion, photosynthesis, etc. That is known deals this branch, okay, physiology. Then histology. Histology, the microscopic structure, arrangement and function of plant and animal tissue, okay, tissue related, that is known as histology are studied in this subject. Okay, this is histology. Then number 5, embryology. Number 5, embryology. Okay, embryology means the branch of biology that discuss the origin of gamete. Okay, origin of gametes, the origin of embryo, of fertilized egg, the development of embryo, their structure, growth and development, etc. That is discussed in embryology. Then number 6, cytology. Cytology means cell related. Okay, cytology. Cytology means cell related. The structure, functional and division of any individual cell in your body of organism is situated in this branch of biology. Okay. Then genetics, very interesting branch. Okay, genetics. Why you looks your as like as your father? Why you looks as like as your mother? Okay, this question arises. This branch of biology deals with genes and heredity. Okay, you know every character bears by the gene. Deals with genes and heredity. So genetics, this branch of biology, deals with genes and heredity. Number 8, evolution. Evolution. Okay. Number 8, evolution. The gradual development of life and organism over successive generations on earth is studied in this subject. Okay, the gradual development of life. Gradual development of life and organism deals. Then ecology. 9, ecology. Ecology means relationship between organism and their environment. Okay, relationship between organism and their environment. Number 10, very important, endocrinology. Endocrinology. Endocrinology means hormone. Okay, the field of science that deals with the studies of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. So hormone related branch is known as endocrinology. Okay, last one, biogeography. Biogeography. GRAPHY. Biogeography means biostat. Okay, the branch of biology that studied the geographical distribution. Okay, geographical distribution of organisms and their evolution. That is the deals of biogeography. So these are the main branch or physical branch of biology. Okay, this is the physical branch and this is very important here. Histology, endocrinology, evolution. Okay, this is very very important. Embryology also. Here this type of question you can get. What is endocrinology or what is histology? What is evolution? Okay, this type question is very very important for a long question. Then go to applied biology. Okay, applied biology. Applied biology means application of biology. Okay, ফলিত যেটা applied. Applied first one, paleontology. Paleontology means science of prehistoric life forms and fossil. Okay, you know what is fossil. Then biostatistics, science and statistics, science of or statistics of organism. Then parasitology. Parasitology means science related to parasitism, life process of parasitic organism and disease causes by them. Okay, this is known as parasitology. Then here Parasitism. Parasitism. Parasitism means the relationship between host and parasite. The relationship between host and parasite. Okay, parasite. This is very important. What is parasitism? The relationship between host and parasite. Okay, suppose you are the host and your worm is internal parasite. Okay, the relationship between host and parasite. This is known as parasitism. Fisheries science dealing with fish, harvesting of fish, management and conservation of fish assets. Okay, then most important, what is entomology? Entomology. Okay, entomology means science related of the study of life, merits, demerits and control of insect, including the damages caused by them. Okay, that is known as entomology. So entomology science related to study insect. Okay, insect study their life, merits, demerits and control of insect. Okay, including the damages caused by them. Then microbiology. Microbiology means microorganism. Okay, that means science related to virus, bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms. Okay, then agriculture. Agriculture science concerning agriculture. Medical science, science related to human body disease, treatment, etc. Genetic engineering, most important. Okay, genetic engineering science associated with gene technology and its uses. Biochemistry, science connected to the biochemical process and disease of organism. Okay, science connected to the biochemical process and disease of organisms. Then 11, environmental science. Environmental means science related to the environment. Marine biology, science related to sorry science related to marine living being. Okay, forestry, science related to forest management and conservation of its resources. Then biotechnology, science associated with the technology of uses of organism for the benefit of mankind. Okay, and that means biotechnology, tissue culture and genetic engineering also. Pharmacy, science dealing with the technology and industry of medicine. Okay, science dealing with the technology and industry of medicine, that is pharmacy. Wildlife means science related to wild animals. Okay, bioinformatics, biological information based on computer technology, for example information on the analysis of cancer. Okay, then go to classification. Nowadays almost plant species 4 million and 13 million of animal species are discovered and have been named and described to date. This number is not yet final because the more and more new species are being added to it almost every day. Okay, it is assumed that the number will reach a core in future when the description of all the organism will be ended. A large number of organisms are needed to be grouped systematically to know, understand, learn them in an easy manner. Okay, many years back, natural scientist, okay, Carolus Linnaeus nowadays, okay, the father of the taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus Caeus. Okay, Caeolus Linnaeus in the field of taxonomy is worth mentioning. Okay, he received his doctoral degree in medicine from the University of Uppsala. Okay, and in 1741 he was appointed professor of anatomy in the same university. It was the main field of his intense interest to classify organisms from his botanical and zoological observations that he assumed from his many expeditions. He classified living world into two kingdoms, plant and animal. Aim of classification. The aim of classification is to acquire knowledge of the groups and subgroups of organisms, to maintain documentation of the accumulated information systematically, to present the knowledge consistency, and to take steps to conserve organism or increase the number of species for the well-being of the living world. Okay, then the modern classification. Okay, living organisms they are divided into two super kingdom. Super kingdom 1 is prokaryota and super kingdom 2 is eukaryota. Okay, eukaryota, prokaryota and eukaryota. Here prokaryota, under the prokaryota one kingdom, kingdom 1, that is known as Monera. Okay, and eukaryota 4 kingdom. Kingdom 2, kingdom 3, kingdom 4, kingdom 5. 2 protista. Kingdom 3 fungi. Kingdom 4 plantae. Kingdom 5 animalia. Okay, animalia. Okay, so prokaryota and eukaryota. Kingdom 1 Monera, protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Okay, first one R.H. Whitaker described the modern classification, and then Margulis. Margulis described broadly. Okay, so first one Monera, characteristics are these are mostly unicellular, filamentous. Okay, filamentous or colonial. Chromatin material is present. There is no nuclear membrane or nucleolus in their cells. So primitive type of nucleus is present. Primitive type of nucleus, or they have no true nucleus. They have no true nucleus because they have no nuclear membrane and nucleolus. But ribosome is present. Okay, here no plastid, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum are there, but ribosome is present. Okay, the cell divides through a process of binary fission. Okay, you know what is binary fission, like amitosis. Okay, cell division through a process of binary fission. Their chief mode of nutrition is absorption, through some of them produce food through photosynthesis. Okay, example is nostoc. Nostoc is one kind of BGA. BGA means blue-green algae, and bacteria. Okay, bacteria, nostoc, these are the example of Monera under kingdom 1 Monera. Okay, so today is this. See you later. Allah Hafiz. Kamrun Nahar madam.